Good morning, Philippines. And we are heading to Toledo for some day adventure. Naami karon sa kuan, South Bus Terminal. Tuka kayo pa. Alright, see you sa bus. Hey guys, naami karon sa Magdugo, Toledo. Magdudugo ang puso ko.
It's a quarter after one.
And abot asa yung mga do. So ako kay balon sa ato ana mo ron kisera-sera. Adray. Hello. Sila. Tayo na kumbuko eh. Hello. Hello guys, good morning. Nanami sa barangay General Climaco. Kuya sa ako ano, pangalan sa ilahang barangay. And we just met our guide, teacher traveler or Miss Beth Dakuma. So hope we enjoyed this trip and we are heading to Malubog Lake. Guys, pakanto namin guys sa mga tumiog Malubog Lake. So, So guys, that was the Malubog Lake and we are heading to our next destination, which is the Malubog Falls. So it's just beside the lake and doon lang siya. So see ya. Oi! So guys, nanami diri sa sa Malubog Falls and color blue siya because of copper. And if you know Biga Pit Poso Toledo, mo na siya ang iyahang inawasan. So I'll tour you guys. Hello guys, that's Malubog Falls and we're heading to our next destination. See ya! Hello guys, good morning. Padulong mi sa kuan, Tagaytay Hill with an overlooking view of the lake. Init. See you sa trail, guys. Bye-bye. Hey guys. Hello guys. After few minutes, we're here at Tagaytay Hill with an overlooking view of the lake. Beautiful, isn't it? Ay, nako. Nabigay hangin guys. Nabigay hangin. Mas kalamig na to. Time for video. Hello guys, init kayo guys. So magpagawas ko sa akong pile ng color orange, sponsored by 7-Eleven. Hello guys, human namin og tula og werewolf. Manguli nami. Tara. Hello guys, we are going home and we are top loading. Bye. Hello guys, nanami karon sa kuan, Toledo City, Jollibee. Wala kami kabalo, asa yung madulong next. So bye-bye na lang. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe below. See you in the next vlog. Bye-bye.